Hello everybody. Tonight's bedtime story is called Snore, and it's by a author called Michael Rosen. He's written books such as We're Going on a Bear Hunt. He's written lots and lots of books, and he's also written this book with Jonathan Langley. So this is called Snore, a good story for when you are sleeping. Some of you might snore. All was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep, cat was asleep, cow was asleep, sheep was asleep, pig was asleep, and so were all the piglets. It was all so peaceful till snore. And cat woke up, cow woke up, sheep woke up, pig woke up, and so did all the piglets. Snore. It was so loud no one could sleep, not cat, nor or cow, or sheep or pig, nor all the piglets. But look who's doing the snoring. Snore. How can we get Dog to stop snoring so we can all get back to sleep, said Cat. They're all really tired now. I know, said Cow. And Cow went up to Dog and went a tissue right down his ear. It didn't work. He's still snoring. I know, said Sheep. And Sheep went up to Dog and went boo right down his ear. He's still snoring. I know, said Pig. And Pig went up to the Dog and went hee hee right down his ear. And all the piglets went hee 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 hee. He was still snoring. I know, said Cat. Why don't we sing to him? Maybe that'll stop him snoring and we can all go back to sleep. So Cat went, "Purr," still snoring. Cow went, "Moo," still snoring. And Sheep went, "Bah." He was still snoring. And Pig went, "Oink," and all the piglets went, "Grunt, grunt, grunt, grunt." Has it worked? No. Then, as the sun rose over the trees, because it's now morning, Rooster woke up with a cock-a-doodle-doo, and Dog woke up with a huh? And he trotted off down the road after his good night's sleep. So he got sleep, nobody else did. But Cat and Cow and Sheep and Pig and all the piglets were so tired they were up all night trying to get Dog to wake up and stop snoring. They then fell asleep. And there they are, snoring themselves. That's a lovely short story, all about going to sleep. And now it's time for you to go to sleep. Tuck up in beds, ready for your learning tomorrow. Good night, everybody.